This was the most chaotic week of my freshman year, hands down. I had to move out, take my final exams, and pack for a study abroad trip to Japan. But I'm such a social person, and I think making the most out of college involves random memories with friends, so watch me dilly-dally too. I fear my mental capacity has dwindled and I have succumbed to using plastic utensils for pretty much everything. Solo cups have been my water bottles, coffee cups, and even to-go yogurt containers. I grew up always recycling, so my heinous behavior in college is starting to eat away at my soul. I'm looking forward to having a kitchen next year so I can work towards a better, sustainable utensil situation.
Starting the day updating my USC scrapbook to update the book on what's currently happening in my life. I don't even know why, but I'm so tired this morning. I'm gonna take a 30-minute nap. I got a new mattress topper recently for a brand partnership and it's so comfortable. I'm very grateful.
College has made me realize I am not limitless. I realized I have a limited social capacity. I'm such an extrovert, so I barely notice myself getting socially burnt out until it's too late. I'm learning my limits, and what's helped me prevent burnout is tightening my circle. I'm more intentional with who I spend my time with now. I love hanging out with Julian, so I happily made the time to go to an art museum with him.
I don't know what this place is.
I had such a fun time with Julian today. It was amazing. I feel like I've really been trying to invest my time into very meaningful friendship. I'm really just trying to move out. I'm trying to prepare for finals. I'm trying to prepare for my internship. I'm trying to prepare for Japan. Just so many things going on. Yeah, by the way, I'm going to Japan for a week right after moving out. I'm working with a mattress topper company. Definitely being a content creator comes with its own challenges. However, I know my internship and job in finance will likely push me more. However, I will say, doing brand partnerships can also be difficult sometimes. When it comes to just communication with brands, I have an amazing manager though, which is such a blessing. But I don't know, I love having a creative outlet and also being interested in pursuing finance because, I don't know, I just think the two combined are absolutely amazing. I would say that at the end of the day, I am more creative than I am quantitative. Since I'm at a traditional education institution, I'm I might as well try to pick up a skill that maybe formal education would be more helpful for. But also I just really am passionate about finance. Genuinely, I'm so serious when I say I'm not in it for the money. There are many other fields that also make money. I just feel weird because this is a very bed specific video. I don't know, I just really don't want to be a target of child predators. Look at how cute Julian is. This is also me in the gift store. And this is me and Julian together. So adorable. I just opened the blinds completely so I can get as much sunlight as possible. Guys, I'm gonna miss this view so much. It's so beautiful.
I'm driving again. Can feel my face 흐려진 눈가에 눈물. And it's all 'cause of you. Yeah.
It is so hot today. An update on my internship search. I am working at an investment banking firm. So I will be a summer analyst. I'm super excited for this because if you saw one of my past videos, I was very much I don't want to do a marketing internship. And so much so that I was willing to just go without an internship. And I highly recommend, guys, stick to your guns when you know what you want to do. I don't know, just don't do things out of a survival mindset. But I have a call in 10 minutes. It's with another intern. I'm just going to talk to him about his experience in finance, and I just want to get to know the interns that I'm working with before we get to office. And I'm also going to do some research on his LinkedIn profile so I can ask questions and have something that I'm prepared to come into. This guy is a student athlete, so I was thinking of asking him some questions, I don't know, about how he manages his time or what he's passionate about. All the interns are older than me, so it'll be really interesting to see what their life is like Also, I usually do like a blowout for my hair because it's like stick straight, but I just didn't have enough time for this morning. But I'm just gonna like walk around campus, and it's super sunny today, so my hair will naturally dry. And then what I'm gonna do is when I get back, I'm gonna do the blowout. Guys, yoga was so good this morning. I needed to take a yoga class because I slept in yesterday and I just really wanted to wake up early. Telling my friend, I'm like, my parents worked so hard to send me here for me to just sleep in. But I know it's normal in college, but it's not the person I want to be. Oh, hey Brayden, can you hear me?
Can't feel my face 흐려진 눈 가에 눈물.
I want to get whipped into shape for my investment banking internship, so I've been taking a course on Skillshare called Accounting Fundamentals, Understanding Financial Statements, because accounting is the foundation of finance. Oh, and it's literally taught by the CEO of Skillshare. Wait, that is so cool. And thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives, and they have classes from a wide range of topics. Some of the topics are illustration, design, animation, film, photography, entrepreneurship, and more. It's designed by creatives for creatives. Skillshare has a learn by doing approach to teaching, so you can share your work with peers and teachers. Skillshare is an on-demand platform with modular classes, so you can take things at your own pace, no matter what skill level you're at. Although I'm trying to learn more about finance right now, there are so many creative courses, like how to use editing softwares, how to learn basic photography, how to create viral videos for Instagram Reels and TikToks, look at all this. There's just a world of possibilities of what you can learn, and I think especially with school coming to an end, I don't want my education to just come to an end. I strongly identify with being a self-studier, someone who seeks out knowledge even when it's not directly assigned to me, because I think that's a really important trait of a successful person. Even if the classes I highlighted aren't aligned with your goals, there are thousands of other classes you can check out. The first 500 people to use the link in my description will get a 1-month free trial to Skillshare. So get started today. I'm gonna end today strong, going to the gym. While I walk on the treadmill, I'm going to do a lot of flashcards. It's a good way for me to stay active, but also get schoolwork done. Yesterday, I was just in the dance room in the gym, just dancing my heart out. I have my dance minor, and it's my favorite thing to talk about.
We push and we fight with all our might. Something breaks. Will this ever change? And it's keeping me.
This is a brand partnership I was supposed to finish. I'm still doing it now. I just started and it's 2 a.m. I feel like this is not the stuff I should be staying up late doing. This is the consequence of my own decisions. I'm meeting a friend for lunch. I think towards the end of college, I've been realizing there's a lot of friends that I just want to get closer to, that it's not even an everyday thing, but I want to stop spreading myself too thin. I'm just going to put some concealer in my under eyes. This is honestly kind of an unpopular opinion. Even though I get frustrated when I have acne, I actually think it's kind of cute, especially when you're in your teenage years or early 20s, because I think it makes you look very youthful. For better or worse. I know it's kind of like how some people think stretch marks are cute. Or maybe people are just saying that to cope. I don't know. And maybe I'm just coping with my acne. But I don't know. I know my mom would always be like, oh, it's cute. It's just a sign that you're still a teenager. I put on this Korean lip tint, but I don't know if it's too Korean. I'm very caught between Eastern and Western makeup. Hey, what's up? I just wanted to confirm, does 11 a.m. TCC still work for you? Okay, I was just confirming with my friend because he wasn't responding to my text. Honestly, in college, it's low-key tough because a lot of people wake up so late. So let's say I schedule an event for 11 a.m. Personally, for me, that's really easy to meet. But I know a lot of my friends and peers wake up pretty late. I took a trip to a housing site where I shot an ad today. It was a productive shooting day, and after I went to grab a Amazon package. I am weary and labored. I am going to refuel on some caffeine. Guys, it's like 90-degree weather today. I had an intensive yoga class this morning. I walked like 20 minutes across campus. My new friend is having a departing LA celebration, so I bought some snacks for it from Trader Joe's. This is the spicy tempura seaweed snack. Pretty much everyone at the celebration is gonna be Asian, so I thought I'd get some more like Asian snacks to match the vibe, and the main entree is gonna be Korean barbecue. And then I have some ube pretzels. Hello. It's so nice. I don't think moving out will be that overwhelming, honestly. It just feels like I have a lot of things out, but I think it'll be easy. I've donated so many clothes. As my unlimited dining swipes plan comes to a close, I'm taking any chance I have to take fruit from the dining hall. In the morning, the dining halls have such yummy strawberries. I'm walking over to my sister's place. She's also a student at USC. I want to pick something up from her. I'm gonna use a water boiler. I'm not really allowed to have one in my dorm, but I'm just gonna quickly use it because I want to sterilize one of my products. Today, I slept in till 11 a.m. and I was quite frankly disappointed in myself. Let me explain why. I'm trying to go into a career in finance, and that means I need to get my together. I've had this blush for over a year now, and it is so bomb. It's the Tequila Sunset, the Cloud Crush. With Michelle. Hi. One of my great friends. We know each other both through USC and content creation. So y'all definitely need to check out Michelle's videos. But I don't know, I woke up this morning and be like, this is so chaotic. I feel so behind. I'm like moving out, studying for finals, so it's all like creeping up on me. But it is so nice to just have a refresh, be able to talk to a friend. But I will be locking in after.
So I got my everyday drink. Iced matcha, almond milk, cream top. And then I also got a pasta.
Wait, that looks gorgeous. I'm going to blow out my hair and watch some YouTube. Looks so pretty. I'm just now realizing how stupid I look during time lapses when I'm chewing my gum. I started the day off with 2 cups of coffee on a pretty empty stomach, and bro, I'm regretting this because I feel so anxious and like on my toes. Well, I wasn't feeling this way at first. I think it was just like I walked into the business school library and I saw a guy that I recognized, and mind you, there's no tea with this guy, like at all. But I just didn't want to make eye contact or interact, and I just found myself being like anxious when I was in the library. So then I came up to study in this room, but I feel kind of depressed here and I feel like I should face my fears. So I'm gonna go back downstairs to the library. But yeah, I really need to lock in because I'm thinking like if I ever want to be an investment banker or something, I can't have such a small like attention span. Why is it so populated in here?
묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못했을까?
We're gonna be up on that wall. The wall of scholars. Look at all this empty space.
묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못챘을까 내 시선은 너 하나뿐이었지 단 한 번도 I never thought you wanna leave me for another thought it was all
Guys, Sammy and I have been trying to hang out, cook dinner together, so we are gonna make some pasta. I don't know how complex it's gonna be, but
Not at all.
I don't know, I'm just like here for a fun time.
it was all make believe 아직 몰랐던 아픔들이 곧 따라오네 맹목적으로 너를 믿은 나 결국 다 어리석은 생각 나와 너와를
We just finished cooking. We have our pasta. Super excited. As well as the garlic bread. The garlic bread's actually really good.
From Trader Joe's.
I'm gonna try to finish the pasta first.
And then we have a tad of salad.
Yeah, I ate a lot.
Okay. Cheers!
Quick update, I successfully moved out on time, did pretty well on my finals, and I'm headed to Japan in just a few days. Thank you guys for following along with my first year at USC. Your love and support truly means so much to me. Bye guys!